Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 coins that are worth investing in 2022. I've collected all winners in this section of crypto that really makes me believe we are going to continue to see these perform very, very well in a bull market. So the first one up is going to be an obvious one. I'm going to start it off with Chainlink. You guys all know I've been a Chainlink follower and talked about Chainlink for quite some time. With staking coming in 2022, it's an obvious winner in my opinion. Oracles and utility are going to continue to be needed in this crypto community or crypto space, and that's exactly why it's going to be a winner in 2022. We're going to see a lot of money being flown into Chainlink as well as so many others, and that's exactly what we're going to jump into just here in a second. I will say, guys, it's going to be a quick video because I want to cover a lot of different coins that I've specifically invested in and I specifically believe are going to do very, very well. These top 5 videos very much so perform very well because I'm not trying to find, the 8th and 9th best. I'm trying to find the top 5, and it's very, very easy to know what winners there are going to be in 2022 when you see the kind of stability and the kind of big, really scheduled events coming in 2022 for these specific coins. So before we jump too much farther into the other 4 coins, and I actually have about 5 or 6 more actually. It's going to be about more of a top 5, top 6, top 7 video today. You can see I had a couple different tweets. So I kind of want to know what is the most undervalued altcoin as of now. If you guys don't want to go on Twitter, you can just let me know down in the comments below. I'm very curious on your guys' thoughts. And also, I asked just a second ago, I asked, what NFTs are you involved in? So I want to hear what NFTs you guys are getting involved in as well. If you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and then follow me on Crypto Profit YT. Because recently, if you guys are following me on Crypto Profit YT, I'm still trying to give away that Chainlink. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, I will actually give 100 link away. All you have to do is retweet and follow this specific tweet. And by the way, if we don't give it away in January, we'll continue to give it away in maybe February or March. So Near Protocol has been doing a lot recently. If we actually take a look at the last month, up 110%. However, this is more or less like a Solana pump. We're going to continue to see Near Protocol do very, very well. Over $12 billion in market cap right now. We've seen very, very high strength in Near Protocol in the early 2022 really year. But, as we move forward, I think we're going to continue to see it move more than this 31% increase in the last week because of so much going on with Near. There's really too much to talk about here in today's top 5, but we are probably going to make a specific Near Protocol review video if you guys want to learn a little bit more about that. So stay tuned to upcoming videos. I want to jump over to Polygon because Polygon is going to continue to be needed. As we see more and more people investing in Ethereum, more and more people really struggling with gas fees, scalability is going to be a major issue. Polygon here to fix that exact really situation. So we see about a $17.5 billion market cap. Polygon's easily going to make its way to $50 billion in market cap this year, in my opinion. I'll continue to keep you guys up to date, obviously, through the entire year. But right now, in the last day, seeing about a 3.45% increase. Last week, about a 16 to 17, and the last month, about a 23% increase. So we're continuing to see the top 5 that I've picked doing very, very well in 2022. And I will say, guys, this is not a discounted video. So I'm not trying to give you guys 5 coins that are discounted. I'm trying to give you 5 coins that are just going to continue to do well, continue to show their strength. And that's exactly what we're seeing for Chainlink, Near Protocol, and Polygon in Phantom as well. So FTM Phantom is going to continue to do well in 2022. We see a 2.6% decrease in the last week, or sorry, not in the last week, but the last 24-hour period. However, the last month, 120% of an increase. So last week, about a 12% increase. So we're continuing to see FTM Phantom do very well as well through this early 2022 period and late 2021. So we are going to continue to see Phantom most likely do well in at least the first 6 months of 2022. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date with Phantom, but it definitely revolves around my top 5 for sure. And there's more to jump into the top 5 today. And I know, like I said, guys, this is supposed to be a top 5. I think I have 6 coins to talk about. I picked them up and did some, TA beforehand as well. Continued to see that there's a bullish thesis on a lot of these coins. So the next one involved is going to be Elond price. The price of Elond right now, $204.60. you can see that there's been a massive increase here recently. If you take a look at the last day, about a 3% increase last week, about a 5% increase. But if you look at the last year, you can see that, we came to about $318, $315, and had a nice increase up to $490. However, we did have a nice spiral down to about $204. I say nice spiral down because a lot of you guys most likely were not involved or invested in Elond quite yet. So this is giving you another discounted opportunity. I do believe Elrond's going to do very, very well, and it's a coin that I personally believe is a discounted coin when it comes to these top fives, and, I will personally be investing at this $200 price range. I want to jump, though, into coin number 6. So this is more of a, what I would call a bonus coin, and before we get into this bonus coin, I do want to say, guys, again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. And let me know down below, what is your favorite altcoin right now? What coin are you continuing to stack? What do you hold most of? What do you wish you held more of, I guess I should say? I would love to hear about it. And let's jump into FTX token. So with FTX, they're doing so many big things around the globe. And we continue to see that, whether you're watching news or whatever you're doing, you're probably seeing something about FTX if you're in the crypto space. The actual exchange itself is doing insanely well. We see about a 6 to 7% increase in the last 24 hours. If we take a look at the last week, about a 31 to 32% increase. In the last month, just around that 20% increase. So a very, very good looking last year, though. If we take a look, you can actually see it fell off about $61, $60 range down to $25.82. Back up to $79.87, and now we're seeing a nice dip yet again at this $40 range. If you can actually buy at $40, I do expect we get back above a new all-time high, maybe $90 this time. Going to be an easy 2x for a lot of different people. I will say, though, remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing, as crypto is very, very volatile. And I know I'm using Coinbase charts, and I hope that's okay with you guys, continuing to give you guys hopefully the most simple and easy to understand really ideas of what is happening in these charts. So I want to jump, though, back over to cryptocurrency's main page here on Coinbase and see that Bitcoin is up to 43.4K, Ethereum up to 3.3K. We have a lot of coins doing very, very well in this last 24-hour period. A lot of green across the board, and that's exactly what we want to see in this 2022 year. We're going to continue to keep you guys up to date on the channel, like I said, and if you want to stay up to date a little bit more than everyone else, make sure to jump down into the description of today's video. I will have a Patreon link down there below. If you use my Patreon link, I will continue to keep you guys up to date with IDOs, pre-sales, ICOs, so you can get into these pre-sales at really the ground floor. They're going to be the greatest way to really get in early and make sure you make a buck or two for sure. So make sure to, like I said, stay up to date with everything regarding crypto by following me and everything down below. If you guys have exchanges, by the way, that you are using, I do have exchanges linked down below as well. So Coinbase, Voyager, Crypto.com, Binance, it depends where you trade. I personally like KuCoin quite a bit. If you guys like KuCoin, definitely try it out. I have all links, referral links down below that'll help you out when you get started, and it'll also help me out when you get started. So thanks again. I just want to say all of that kind of ending there was just to kind of keep you guys up to date with what's going on with the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.